Namaste to everyone. Stop shaking hands and stay safe. This is Supriyo sir, and today I am going to teach you place value chart, international plus Indian. First of all, we will discuss about international place value chart. 1, 10, 100. After that, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Next, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. Next, 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. After that, trillion, quadrillion. To remember international place value chart, we have some tricks. Simple trick 1. To remember left side, we just need to remember 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. You can see always in the left side 1, 10, 100 is repeating. 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. Okay? Now, simple trick 2. To remember right side, we just need to remember first 3 are blank, and after that 1000, million, billion, trillion and quadrillion. Okay. Next, Indian place value chart. First 1, 10, 100. After that 1000, 10,000. After that 1 lakh, 10 lakh. After that 1 crore, 10 crore. And after that Arab, Kharab, Neel, Padma, Shankh. Simple trick 1. To remember left side, we just need to remember 1. First 3 are 1, 10, 100, and after that 110, 110, 110. Okay. And simple trick 2. To remember right side, we just need to remember first 3 are blank, and after that 1000, lakh, crore, and after that Arab, Kharab, Neel, Padma, Shankh. That's all. This is international place value chart. Here in the left side you can see only 1, 10, 100, 1, 10, 100 are repeating. And in the right side, first 3 are blank, and after that 1000, million, billion, trillion, and after that quadrillion. Okay. This is the comparison chart of Indian and international place value chart. Here you can see 1, 1, 10 is equal to 10, 100, 100, 1000, 1000, 10,000, 10,000. From 1 to 10,000 all are same, and from lakh you can see the differences. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000, 10 lakh is equal to 1 million, 1 crore is equal to 10 million, 10 crore is equal to 100 million, 1 Arab is equal to 1 billion, 10 Arab is equal to 10 billion, 1 Kharab is equal to 100 billion, 10 Kharab is equal to 1 trillion, 1 Neel is equal to 10 trillion, 10 Neel is equal to 100 trillion, 1 Padma is equal to 1 quadrillion, and 10 Padma is equal to 10 quadrillion. 1 Shankh is equal to 100 quadrillion. That's all. Related videos links you can find out at the description. Please subscribe this channel to get more videos. Like, share, comments please.